My name is Jackie Law, and I've been in OHO for 2 years. I work out of the Surrey office, and one of our main areas of focus is manufacturing. I look at everything from the top down, so starting from the construction, the design, or the engineering of the system that's being in use. So looking at all those physical aspects, and then work your way down until you get to looking at the person and how a worker can protect themselves. Employers, they invest a lot of money into the technology, and so they understand it very well. But what they're missing is sometimes going back and auditing those specific fail-safe mechanisms and remembering that they've got to have a systematic way of continuously checking these control measures that they have in place. You don't just put something in place and expect it to last forever. They need constant replacement, and they need to be inspected on a regular basis. I love being mobile. I love having my boots on the ground and meeting these employers and their workers and understanding their work processes. For me, the results really speak for themselves when a worker or the employer comes to me and tells me that I've made a positive difference in their workplace, and because of my visit, that they'll now take extra steps to improve their health and safety system.